Hello students, good morning. Let us continue our chapter number 4 at page number 31. In the previous class, we discussed the topics like definition of virus and types of virus. And today, in this class, we are going to discuss the next types of viruses. Alabama. It is a computer virus which infects the executable files. The virus is loaded into the memory by executing an infected program and then affects the computer runtime operation, corrupts the program or overlay the files. The virus manipulates the file allocation table and swaps the file name so that the files are slowly lost. Next is logic bomb. A logic bomb is a program or a portion of a program which lies dormant until a specific piece of program logic is activated. The most common activator for a logic bomb is date. The logic bomb checks the system date and does nothing until a pre-programmed date and time is reached. At that point, the logic bomb activates and executes its code. And the next type of virus is Christmas virus. It is an email worm that spreads via electronic mail as a small executable file with a variety of names and extensions. The worm is propagated by copying itself onto local and network drives as well as emailing itself as an attachment to any addresses. Infected email messages arrive with the subject Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. The attachment has the name postcard followed by an executable extension. Adware. It is a program that displays an unwanted advertisement in a banner, pop-up window on web pages, email messages, or on another internet services. If you click on the advertisement, sometime it will take you to a virus-contained site and the virus will install in your computer. And the next type of virus is spyware. A program placed on a computer or mobile device without the user's knowledge that secretly collects information about the user and then communicate the same information to some outside sources while the user is online. And the next topic is sources of viruses. Email, internet download and illegal distribution of software. These three are the sources of viruses, and now we are going to discuss all of them one by one. And the first one is email. Email viruses are spread by files attached to email messages. You cannot get an email virus from a message that contains only text. When you open an email attachment that contains a virus, the virus spreads to your computer. If you forward the attachment to other people, their computer will also be affected when they open the attachment. And the next sources of viruses are internet download. There is a lot of stuff to download from the internet. But if something in the stuff you want to download is infected by virus, then the virus comes to your computer system. Now virus replicates itself and infect other files on your computer. This means if your computer is infected by virus, then whatever file you share with other people could contain the virus also. And the third sources of viruses are illegal distribution of software. If your computer is virus infected and you copy a software on a CD to distribute to someone, the virus of your computer might also get copied on the CD. The person who installed this software on his computer unknowingly gets his computer infected by the virus. Next is malware. Malware, short for malicious software, is a term used for computer viruses, worms, Trojan horses, and rootkits. It is a program that acts without a user's knowledge and deliberately alters the computer operations. Some corrupt programmers or virus authors write malware and then test it to ensure it can deliver its payload. And the payload is the destructive event the program is intended to deliver. And malware deliver its payload on a computer in a variety of ways. And these are when a user opens an infected file, when a user runs an infected program, third, when a user boots the computer with infected CD or pen drive, fourth, when a user connects an unprotected computer to a network, downloading an infected file from the internet. Next is symptoms of malware or viruses. With the help of them, we can get the idea that our computer is having a virus in it. First, computer runs much slower than usual. Memory of computer is less than expected. File becomes corrupted. Screen display unusual messages or images. Music or unusual sound plays randomly. Existing programs and files disappear. Programs or files do not work properly. Unknown programs or files mysteriously appear. System properties change. Operating system does not start up. And operating system shut down unexpectedly. And next is effects of malware. It can damage or rename the important files. It can also damage or destroy the operating system. It can decrease the speed of computer. It can reduce the memory or hard disk space. It can infect boot sector records. It can also infect the executable files. So these are the effects that a malware create in your computer after entering into your computer. Your homework is you have to read all the topics that we discussed today. Thank you.